Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Rob from Make Money Audit, and we're doing another audit on Mr. Shane Hummus. So, how I'd start a one-person business plus a personal brand with Claude AI if I started from zero. So, again, he's back. This one gets another D. He opens with $185,000 in a single month from his zero model. Then 17 minutes in, his own words tells you the guy already had a channel, already had a career, and it took him years to get there. So right out of the gate, he contradicts himself as usual again. So, credit is where it's due. I'll give him credit. So this is the only reason it makes a D. His 51% stat is a real. Pew's February 2026 survey says that about half of American adults have never used an AI chatbot. And the audience first tell your time frame before you build a product advice is same thing legitimate business book says. Everybody tells you that. If the video stopped there, it would have just got a C, but it doesn't, so that's why it gets a D. So we'll go ahead and let it play a little bit, and then we'll go from there.
A one-person business and a personal brand with Claude AI if I started over from zero today. And the plan still works even if you're starting from nothing. Now, one of our community members did $185,000 in a single month with this model, and the startup cost is a $20 subscription and the phone that's already in your pocket.
See, that's the one guy that's already, again, he's he's been in business, he has a career, and that took him years to get to that amount. So here's the kill on this, the $185,000 a month, okay? He says that one of his community members did the $185,000 in a single month with this model, okay? That's the frame the entire video hangs on, but it's not, it doesn't, there's no backup. Okay, then at the 17 mark, he tells you what that member, Josh worked in IT cybersecurity. Josh already had a YouTube channel making money when he joined. And Shane's own words, Shane's team took him from 1,000 a month to 5,000 a month, then 10,000, then 30, which eventually, after a few years of working with us, he hit 185 once his best month. So not from zero. There's the whole thing. It's not from zero. Okay. Not with this model, not in a month, a working professional with an existing channel a few years and one outlier a month sold to you in the first 20 seconds as a playbook does. Yeah. So again, once he sells you, he's trying to get you to understand that what he thinks is a good idea, it takes years to develop. It just doesn't happen overnight like he keeps claiming, So we'll get into this a little. I'm not going to play the video anymore. I'm not going to give him any more credit than what he, if you want to watch it, go ahead and watch it yourself, but I'm not going to do it. So we're showing the receipts, okay? He says the figures is sourced on screen. The sources are his own community screenshots, okay? And the only sourcing disclaimer in his description says income figures come from Glassdoor, which has nothing to do with a single community income claim in his video. Self-sourced receipts aren't receipts. So he's basically showing you false data again. Okay? His description cancels his pitch. Yeah. The video sells a book, a call for a prepaid mentorship on the Make Money on his YouTube. Okay? So yeah, there's one hook there. The description under that says the videos are for entertainment purposes only. Direct quote. Don't make buying or selling decision based on Shane's video. His own screen tells you not to buy what his own voice is selling. Yeah, avoid buying anything from this guy because you're just going to lose your money. The only one who makes money on this is him, not you. So this is another good one here I caught on this. So miss out forever or don't. On the free training, you only get it. You get it if you join with a training. So if you don't join now, you might miss out forever. Then about 30 seconds later, if for whatever reason you missed out, make sure you still click the link because we might having a workshop in the future. Forever lasted half a minute. So another hole in his whole thing. It's ridiculous. The velvet rope. Here's where it really gets you. We can only accept 3 to 5 people right now, and we only accept about 18% of the people who apply. And acceptance rate on a sales call, nobody audits that number but him. Yeah. So another thing is just crazy. So let's see the Boogie comparison. He stacks Josh's single best month against Boogie 2988 and stated monthly AdSense and calls it 50 to 1. His own words. In the best month ever versus a revenue stream of somebody's steady state. That's not a comparison. That's a highlight reel versus a bank statement. So this is where it gets you. This is just basically a whole sales funnel, and if you guys don't catch that, then you're idiots, basic idiots. Okay, the description and the pinned comment links pitched at least 6 separate times in 34 minutes. Okay, training again, the Claude skill, the workshop, the book a call, intro. A free playbook doesn't need 6 doors for the same funnel. That's all this is. This Shane is trying to get you to sign up for his sales stuff. And you join, he makes money, you lose it. That's it. So the advice skeleton is fine. Build an audience, sell your time first, stay specific. If you sold it with the honest timeline, a few years, a day job, 1 outlay a month, it's a C. But he sold it as a 0 to 185,000. That's a D. Drop a comment. Would you sit through 34-minute video knowing that there are six funnel links in it? Thanks for watching. Look forward to the next one. Hopefully Shane gives me another one soon so I can make some more videos off of this guy, because his videos are just rich with BS. And if you guys want to believe them, whatever, then you're suckers. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.